Hello everybody, my subscribers. Ex-Lady Christmas here, Magdalena. Like I promised you, I will show you what I will do with this tree topper. See that? In previous video, you can look and learn how to do tree toppers like that. So you're doing top and then you decorate it with bows all around. Then look at that big poinsettia. See that? I stick it inside. Everywhere when you see big holes in the tree, stick it inside. Now, we're working with bow. I will go a little bit down. Okay, I have bunch of bows like that. Bunch of bows. So that's what we're going to do. We just will sit it like that. See branch? I'm taking branch, I put in the middle. And I put on tree, just like that. See? Thank you. I'm like surgeon here. 1, 2. Again, take branch of the tree and just wrap it. It's only for artificial tree. For real tree, you need to wrap everything with wire or pipe cleaner. More work. I like artificial tree. Thank you. So we're doing 1, 2, then 3, right here. And the same thing you will do on another side. Back normally I decorate, but not that heavy. Back of the tree always lighter. That's my advice will be. Because it's too much. Unless tree in the middle of the room. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Right here. No, you need to find branch which is, don't have light. That's why tree need to be fluffed very good before. Okay, thank you. 1, 2, 3, 4. Just judge it like that. 5 down here. We have a bunch of that bows, like about 50 of them. And we decorate tree not just with bows, with a lot of other stuff too. Thank you. That's a little bit tricky because you need to find good branch to put it on. This one has light, but it's okay. You can squeeze it like that and it still will be shining underneath the bowl. Okay. Now, you need to judge. Do you need one more bow here or not? I think we need one more here. And a couple more downstairs right here. One more, thank you. You get the idea, like you're doing that all the way around and the same in the back and everywhere. Just make sure you have some negative space between both. I secure everything with branches. That's why artificial trees, this branch is very flexible, so you can do a lot of stuff with it. Now I need decorative balls. So, you got the idea. First put all your balls out. We have too many, so I'm just showing you the principle, how to do that. Then take big decorative balls, small always put up front, and big ones need to go a little bit further. See? Tree also has secret how decorated. You have to create dimensions. If you will put everything up front, it will be flat tree. And it's not interesting, it doesn't look really very artistic. No, I don't need right now. I just need a little bit later. Right now, okay. So you got the idea how it goes, right? Another one right here. You see how I fill out space? You see that? So that's how you will put huge, big ornaments. Thank you. Another one, I think I will put right here. The bigger the ornaments, the deeper need to be in the tree. Did you see dimensions I'm creating right now? Thank you. Ornaments are really beautiful. Actually, this tree already has materials like from 2015 and it still looks good. So you don't have to buy new materials every year, honestly. Unless, because if you change something, colors, you have to change a lot of stuff. Here, this one not working. Take back. Now it's working. why I like Christmas so much. If God really dwell on the earth, we don't know his exact birthday, but it's symbolic birthday, so it's worth to celebrate, I think. Guys, that's my opinion. So basically, that's all. You just need to take all your ornaments and all your balls and put on the tree. Oh, how nice. It's remind me when our time limited in the earth. Is it nice? Old English clock. Old grandpa clock. Yes, we're all here temporary. This is not our house, home. That's beautiful, one of my favorite ornaments. And I will put it right here. Gosh, I love that one. Gorgeous. Tap it a little bit in the tree. Do you see that? Right here. All the champagne color, very sophisticated. I like it, honestly. Okay, it's okay. Okay. Take it out. Put this one. Thank you. Let's see, what do you think? I think that, see that hole here? And we have poinsettia here, decorative poinsettia. So, if you didn't have time to fluff tree really well, you have to cover it by that tricks. I think you guys got the idea. Oh, not yet. Where are these ribbons with sheer ribbon?
These?
Yes, the sheer. No, sheer. Shears.
Any others?
Find it. It's so much material, see. It's like, okay. That trick I want to show you how to decorate tree with that. When I will finish tree, I wouldn't take all your time. You got the idea. Watch my video with top, how I did top. Then put around all these balls. Then take poinsettia like that and put inside, like big poinsettia or big flowers. Or you can put some fabric, fig fabric there. Then we will do this. We will go through, I have a lot of them. I'm showing you only one. One loop. One, like that. I love that ribbon. Okay, again, work with branches. That's what I'm doing, see? You still have light shining there. Then make it like a wave. See? Make it wave all the way down like a wave. We have dogs here, Old English wall clock, grandpa, we have million boxes. Tell me that's enough because I'm just show people how to make that wave, and that's it. And then when tree will be ready, I will show them whole tree. Okay, and that's the end. Let it curl like that. See, it goes like a wave in the sea, all around tree. And you secure that with branches everywhere. So I will do probably a lot of them because we have so much materials. If I will do all three, it will take probably 4 hours right now. So I'm showing you most important thing. Top in another video, how to do top. Then you're doing accent bow and big accent like that. If you see hole somewhere, just stick it that inside hole. Then you have to do bow, then ornament, then in the end, sheer ribbon like that. This ribbon gorgeous. So you play with different colors a little bit, like pewter, gold, antique gold, not very, very bright gold. We have very warm, one-tone, beautiful lights here. Multi-lights I like most on kids' trees. So that's about it. Tree will be ready. I have the same ornaments. It's just repetition of the same thing. And I will do it from both sides. And back, I'm not decorating very heavy. Thanks for watching. See you later. Merry Christmas. Have a beautiful